Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix low volume for calls on Android phone. So, first thing that you will do guys is make sure your phone case is not covering the sound of your phone and make sure to clean up your speaker into your phone. And now let's move on what you will do inside the phone. So here on the phone, first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings on your device. And now from here, just simply go for sound and vibration and go for volume. And guys, make sure you have the maximum volumes over here. So make sure to turn this on. And guys, when you have the do not disturb turned on, just simply go to the notification bar and make sure to turn it off. And from here, once you turn it off, and just make sure guys you turn everything on to the maximum. And now guys, just simply go to the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and go for media volume limit. And from here, turn this on and make it to the maximum and turn it off. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. So now, another solution that you could do is just simply go to settings again and go to sounds and vibration and just simply scroll down guys and go ahead and go for sound quality and effects over here and just simply scroll down and go for adapt sound, and from here just simply select this one 30 to 60 years old and tap on the gear icon on the right side, and from here just make sure the sound preferences is clear. And now guys, from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, guys, just simply go ahead and go to Google Play Store. And from here, just simply search for Sound Booster. And from here, you should be able to have multiple applications that you can choose from and just simply try out application that will boost the sound. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.